The airvo 800 VersaStriper is a heavy-duty aerosol striping paint applicator that makes it quick and easy to apply striping paint on any road surface, parking lot, athletic field, or anywhere you need to paint a clean, straight line. The airvo 800 VersaStriper weighs just 16 pounds, making it easy to transport from job to job. The rear storage box can hold up to 12 20-ounce aerosol cans. It has a front-mounted pointer to help you paint straighter lines. And it easily folds up for compact storage. The airvo 800 VersaStriper accepts aerosol cans with T-tip nozzles. Just slide your inverted aerosol can sideways into the carrier assembly clips and snap it into place. Rotate the nozzle on the can so that the T-tip is parallel with these two spring arms underneath the striper. Adjust the height of the carrier assembly to paint wider or narrower stripes. At the lowest setting, the striper will paint 2-inch stripes. At the highest setting, 4-inch stripes. Once all your adjustments are made, move the striper into position. Squeeze the trigger on the handle and roll the striper forward at a slow, even pace. 𝐂𝐞𝐫 carries all of the traffic control products you need to keep your property safe.